Okay, so now as we embark on the next step, you should have the bottom two layers solved, and you should have the white completely white on the top. The top should be completely white. Alright, so what you want to do now is you want to perform an algorithm so that these faces are going to look like this, where you have the corner pieces completely solved. So you see in this case the corners on each face are correct. And then it's just one more step after that to fix the edge pieces. So in order to take a cube like this, you can see that in this case the edges are not in the correct location. And this is going to be another complicated algorithm. The way that you start is that you will find some headlights. 8 out of 10 times you'll be able to see headlights somewhere. So you can see in this case we have headlights here. Here's another example where you do have the headlights. I just want to point out to you that even if all three colors match, it's still considered to be headlights because we are ignoring the edge pieces at this point. So whether you see something like this is headlights, this is also headlights. Now you will find some situations where you do not have any headlights. If you turn this around, all four sides, there are no headlights. I'll tell you how to do this later, but like I said, 8 times out of 10 there are going to be headlights. So that's what you want to look for before you perform this algorithm. And what you want to do is take the headlights and move them to the back. So you will hold the cube in such a way that the headlights are in the back. And I'm going to show you how to do this algorithm. I recommend that you try to move your hand in a similar way that I do to help you remember. What you will do is you will take the right hand and you will move it counterclockwise. So hold the cube like this. You'll do a right hand counterclockwise. Then use your index finger to turn the front face, and then you will turn the right face counterclockwise again. Then you will readjust your hands and use your, your ring finger to turn the back 2 times. 1, 2. Okay? So that's like what I consider to be the first half of that algorithm. Before I complete the algorithm, let me just repeat that maybe with this other case that has the headlights. And the way that that I taught my children to say it was like this: down, 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 2 in the back. Down, 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 2 in the back. Then in the second half, it's similar, but it is going to be up, up, down, and then once again 2 in the back. And now you'll notice that you have yellow across here, so obviously you have to fix that. And now you can see that the 4 corners have been placed in the correct location. So going back to this one, remember I already performed half of the algorithm on this. So I did down, 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 2 in the back. And then the other half is up, up, down, 2 in the back. Fix the yellow cross. And when you look at this now, you can turn the top layer and you will see that all 4 corners have been placed correctly. So I told you that there was a case, some possibilities that you may, after you solve the top, the white top, you will look for your headlights and you won't find them. Okay, no problem. You have to do that algorithm 2 times in order to fix the corners where they are. All right, so this is the special case, and for this step there's only one special case. And so what you want to do is you want to arrange the cube so that you have 3 colors here that are identical and 3 colors here that are also identical. There's not only one option. So like if this is the way you find the cube, you will have to rotate the top layer. I can see that I can do it with greens and reds. If I want to do it with orange and green, that's also okay. Make sure that you have 3 colors here and 3 colors here that are identical. So just keep rotating the top layer until you can find that. And you will hold those so that they are on the right hand side, and then you perform the algorithm. Down, 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 2 in the back, up, up, down, 2 in the back, fix the yellow cross. And now if I turn this cube around, if I rotate it, you will see indeed I have headlights. So I put the headlights in the back. I use the same algorithm. Down, down, down. Readjust my hands. 2 in the back. Up, up, down. 2 in the back. Fix the yellow cross. Now you can see that these 4 corners are in the correct place.